Hey friends, welcome back. Today we will be doing some command line magic. It's not real magic, but to some people it may seem like magic. I assume the following situation is familiar to you. You want to start a service, but then it says address already in use. So what to do now? Which service is blocking the port? Which process do I have to terminate? We can solve this issue in just one line, and I will show you how to do that. So to terminate the process blocking the specific port, in our case 8081, we need to concatenate two commands in our terminal. One command is lsof. This stands for list open files. When we are just typing lsof in our terminal, the output might be huge. So we need to narrow the output. We can use the -i filter on the lsof command, lsof -i, followed by a space, a colon, and then the port we want to search for, which is 8081 in our case. We can see that in our case 2 processes are involved in blocking the port. We can identify them by the different PIDs. This is the process ID, and this is what we are actually searching for. So we can enhance the command by adding the -t option, which will just print the process IDs. So lsof -t-i colon 8081, and now we just have the process IDs. So the second command which we need is the kill command, which will terminate the process. So we will first type kill, then -9, and as an argument to the kill command, we will provide the result of the lsof command. So the $, then braces, and inside the braces, we will type the lsof command. lsof -t-i colon 8081. And now the processes should be killed. We can check that. Nothing is blocking port 8081 anymore. So let's investigate what this one-liner does exactly. So we talked about the lsof command already. And by surrounding it with a $, and braces, we are passing the result, which are these 2 process IDs, to the kill command. We added the -9 option to the kill command to terminate the processes forcefully, so they will be killed right away. Alternatively, we could provide the -15 option, which will terminate the processes gracefully, and this allows the process to clean up and save its state before exiting. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to impress your colleagues next time when you are in such a situation. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!